Welcome to your all-new next generation MG HS. Packed with more advanced features and technology than ever, we've created this short film as a quick start guide and reference tool should you ever need a quick refresher. Today we'll explore the top-of-the-range MG HS Trophy Automatic. However, much of what we look at is also relevant to the SE, manual and plug-in hybrid models. We'll highlight some of the differences as we go. So let's start with some of the basic controls and safety features. All HS models benefit from remote central locking and keyless entry. Approach the car with your key and press the driver or front passenger door handle button. The HS is built with comfort in mind. The driver can set their perfect seating position using the 6-way electrically adjusted controls on the side of the seat. The Trophy also features lumbar adjustment and a memory function, which saves seat and mirror configuration for up to 3 drivers. The passenger seat is 4-way manually adjustable on the SE and electrically adjustable on the Trophy. The steering wheel is height and reach adjustable and unlocked using this lever. You can adjust your wing mirrors using the touch controls on the driver's door. First, select the mirror and use the pad to find your perfect position. This button activates the folding mirror function. Electric window controls for all 4 windows are here, with this button activating the rear window child lock. The HS Trophy features wireless phone charging, so if your phone has this function, you can charge it by placing it here. To start the car, put your foot on the brake pedal and press the start-stop button to the left of the steering wheel. The indicators are on the left. Pull towards you for the high beam flash. Push away from you to activate the high beam lamps. This inner control activates the lights. Push one way to toggle the automatic lights, the opposite direction for the side light, and then one further click for the headlights. Fog lights can be configured through your central screen. The wipers and washer controls are to the right. The wiper modes are off, rain sensing wipers, low speed and high speed. Push down for a single wipe. This button activates the rear wipers and this control adjusts the intermittent wipe interval. Pull the stalk towards you for the front washers and away for the rear. The multifunctional steering wheel allows you to navigate and change your vehicle settings while keeping your hands safely on the wheel. On the left, this button activates voice command in Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. These buttons are for your car's cruise control and speed limiter. We'll come back to explore these in a little bit more detail later. This button can be user-defined from the main screen. On the right are buttons to answer and end calls, toggling through your driver display message center, and another user-definable favourites button. This touchpad controls media volume and media track selection. The HS has 2 high-resolution full-colour screens, a hub for all your essential information about your car and where you can access your media and vehicle settings. Please ensure you familiarise yourself with these operations whilst parked safely. The central screen includes options for live weather, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, climate control, media and navigation. You also have this always-on shortcut menu to the right. On the Trophy, the options are home, navigation, media, climate control, vehicle settings and external cameras. Let's take a look at your climate control settings. You have basic controls from this screen but can fine-tune the settings if you click through. This icon activates dual zone climate control on the Trophy. You also have options for the heated seats on the Trophy. If you want to return to the home screen at any time, press this button or this physical button just below the screen. Using this tile, you can toggle between your media sources. The options are slightly different depending on the model. On the Trophy, you can either swipe or expand the menu. The options are radio, Bluetooth, Amazon Music or USB storage. Clicking the tile will take you to further settings. The radio offers DAB, FM and AM. You can search DAB by station or category and save your favourite stations by clicking this icon. Wherever you see this icon, you can further configure your preferences by clicking through. The sat-nav can save your home and work addresses, and you can search by address, postcode, or amenity. The Trophy also features live traffic with automatic journey rerouting. Swiping left from the home screen provides further options. The new HS's technology settings are highly customizable. Please ensure that you familiarise yourself with these operations while parked safely. This driver information display has a choice of configurations and can be set up using the centre console. The right side of the screen is your driver information display message centre. You can toggle through the different displays using this button on the right of the steering wheel. When illuminated, warning lamps show on the edges of the screen. Your owner's guide provides full descriptions of these symbols. Connecting a mobile phone with Bluetooth is easy. With Bluetooth on your phone switched on and your device set to visible, go to Settings and select Bluetooth. Follow the on-screen prompts on both your phone and the screen. The MGHS features iSMART connected services that lets you check and control many functions of your car remotely using a mobile phone. First, download the MG iSMART app from the Apple or Google App Store. Register using your email or mobile number, and then scan the QR code on the Vehicle Settings tabs on your MGHS to bind the car to your account. An intuitive experience is at the heart of the MGHS, which means there may be various ways to change a setting. For example, to change the media volume, you can use this touchpad, this menu, which is accessible by swiping down on the home screen, or voice control. Hello MG, turn up the volume. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are accessible when your phone is plugged in to this USB port. An advanced feature of your new car is MG Pilot, a suite of driver aids and safety features. It can be configured through the central screen. Features include speed limiter, active cruise control, and intelligent cruise assist, which features lane keep assist. Further preferences can be configured by swiping up. A graphical symbol represents the currently selected mode on the driver screen. Cruise control or speed limiter is engaged using this button. This selector changes the selected speed and follow distance. Push up to increase the speed and down to decrease. Press right to increase the following distance and press left to decrease. Further information about MG Pilot can be found on the MG Motor UK website. To drive, put your foot on the brake and pull the gear lever towards you. To reverse, push away from you. You can manually select gears by pressing the control to the right. When in drive, the electronic brake automatically disengages when you press the accelerator pedal. If fitted, you can change the viewing angle of the 360 parking camera by tapping the centre console screen. When stationary, you can activate the electronic parking brake with this switch. This is to activate the automatic parking brake feature. This button activates the parking gear, and this is for the hill hold feature. In the roof is the emergency SOS button. Pressing and holding it for a second will connect you directly to the emergency services with a voice call. The bonnet lever is in the driver's footwell. Under the bonnet, you will find your washer top-up, engine oil dipstick, engine oil top-up, brake fluid and coolants. The boot button is offset just below the MG logo. Underneath the boot floor is the emergency Tyre Inflation Kit. Please familiarise yourself with its operation by referring to your owner's handbook at the earliest opportunity. But here's a very quick guide. The Puncture Repair Kit is a temporary measure designed to allow you to get to an MG authorised repairer or a place of safety. First, make sure you are parked safely on a level surface. There is no need to jack the car or remove the wheel from your vehicle. The Tyre Inflation and Puncture Repair Kit is supplied in two parts, the compressor and the sealant. First, screw the compressor to the sealant canister using this hose. Then secure the canister to the compressor using this groove. Remove the valve dust cap from your tyre. If your car is supplied with wheel trims, you may need to remove these first. The hose from the canister attaches to the valve on your tyre. Check that the power switch on the compressor is off, then connect the compressor to the 12-volt power socket of your car. Turn on your vehicle's ignition. When connected, turn on the compressor and allow the tyre to inflate. The sealant bottle will be empty after about 30 seconds, but continue to inflate to the required pressure. If your tyre does not inflate within 10 minutes, remove the compressor, drive your car for 10 metres to allow the sealant to distribute, and try re-inflating the tyre. If the tyre still doesn't inflate, your tyre is severely damaged and you should seek roadside assistance. After successfully adding sealant to the tyre, drive immediately for about a minute to allow the sealant to distribute evenly inside the tyre. Then drive your MG for 10 minutes, not exceeding 50 miles per hour. After 10 minutes, recheck your tyre pressure when safe. If the tyre pressure has dropped to less than 0.8 bar, do not continue driving and seek roadside assistance. If the tyre pressure is between 0.8 and 2.3 bar, reconnect the compressor and attempt to re-inflate. Drive another 10 miles. If, after another 10 miles, the tyre pressure has not dropped, you may continue driving, but the vehicle speed must not exceed 50 miles per hour or be driven further than 125 miles. The HS Trophy benefits from a powered tailgate, which can be operated using this button or through the central touchscreen. For a comprehensive guide to your MG HS's operation, including your car's routine maintenance schedule, please refer to your owner's manual. It's available on the MG Motor UK website under My MG or through the MG iSMART app. Should you need a quick refresher, you can also access this film anytime by scanning the QR code on the passenger side sun visor. And remember that all MGs benefit from an industry-leading peace of mind 7-year, 80,000-mile warranty. In the unlikely event you need roadside assistance, MG Assist is available 24/7 at 0800 072 3338. We recommend that you save this number to your phone. Once again, thank you for purchasing a new MG HS. We wish you many years of happy motoring.